welcome battery resourcers.
So I'm Eric Gratz, CEO of Battery Resources. We recycle lithium-ion batteries. It's any lithium-ion battery, regardless of size, shape, chemistry. And what we do is we recycle that sustainably. When I mean sustainable, I mean the materials from that battery are going back into a new battery at the end of life. Our process, we actually recover the cathode materials. So if you think of about a battery, it's got a positive and negative side, an anode and a cathode. And we can recover the cathode materials from a mixture of any lithium-ion battery. And why that matters is in electric vehicles today, the cathode materials are inherently mixed. So our technology is the only technology that recovers those cathode materials directly to be used in new vehicles or batteries. And the reason you want to recover cathode materials is that existing recycling technologies only recover the metal. That's 30% of the battery's value. So they're also inefficient and recover less than 50% of the overall battery weight. With our process, we're recovering 70% of the battery's material value, 50% of that coming from cathode material, the rest from the other components of the battery. And we're also recovering 98% of the battery. Really the only thing that's going into landfill when we recycle a battery is the plastic separator. Not only do we recover the cathode materials, but because of our patented proprietary process, the materials coming out of our recycling process are actually better than current commercial materials. So we see a 20% cycle life improvement, and this is tests not done by us, but done by battery manufacturers on our material. So in the past year, we've taken our capacity from 50 kilograms per day to 500. And we've made our battery grade material at the pilot scale. We're working in Worcester, Massachusetts. We're funded with a seed round and a SBIR Phase 2 award. We've expanded our team. We have contracts for all of our output material coming out of our pilot plant. And we're recycling batteries for every major North American vehicle OEM. Actually, these companies pay between $76 and $1.50 a pound right now to recycle their batteries at existing technologies. For us, we can make a profit without charging them. We usually charge them a smaller fee. So the goal for Battery Resourcers is to open a full-scale facility in 2020. So now I've got a short video here where you'll see some interesting stuff I think you'll enjoy about our recycling process. So everyone knows lithium-ion batteries catch fire. So the first thing we do is we discharge the batteries when we receive them. So here are some battery modules. There's a few thousand volts in that container right there, just electrolyzing water. Then we shred the batteries. So that's a Fiat 500 EV battery, if you're an EV nut. Shred that guy up, nice and easy. Then we have this is what it looks like after shredding. So it's copper, aluminum, plastics, graphite, anode material. After separating the powders, we'll separate the plastics from the copper and the aluminum. You can see us shooting the copper and the aluminum away from the plastics here on what's called an eddy current separator. So here's batches of some of our products before shipping out. So our impurities are actually a transition metal filter kit, which people pay us for. Graphite is the anode material, which will eventually be going back into batteries. And this is our process for producing battery precursor material. This is which becomes the cathode material. We have a pilot scale reactor that we run. And then after making the precursor, we mix the material, and we sinter it. This is just a V mixer used in many industries today. And then this is the SEM of our recovered material, which goes into a battery like this pouch cell down in the lower left. So Battery Resourcers, we are superior performance and sustainable sourcing. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm amazed. This is great. I mean, in my head, it was not really possible to recover and recycle lithium-based batteries. But do you get all of the lithium really out of
Yeah, so
it?
the lithium is in the cathode material.
Okay.
So the cathode material that we recover, we get over 88% recovery. So like, you can't say we get 100% of the lithium, but the majority of it by far.
Okay, that's really great. Okay, and because lithium is only available in a few countries.
Yeah, the
or-
largest, Australia, Chile, Argentina, 3 largest lithium producing countries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do you said that you could take any different type of,
Yep.
because I know that there's a
Yeah.
lot of different flavors in
Yeah.
terms of.
So specifically, we recover a cathode material called NMC. It's lithium, nickel, manganese, cobalt oxide. It happens to have nickel. All the flavors have some variation of those materials.
So like the iron phosphate.
So okay, we don't recover iron phosphate except for as like very low grade application. That's not going back into a battery. That's less than 5% of the market.
The cathode precursor that you just showed, so is that sold back?
Yeah, it's not
And then they add it to slurries, other,
Yeah, you sell to battery manufacturers. Yeah, precipitated.
okay. So it's not necessarily part of when they send their batteries for recycling, they don't get their own precursor?
So we have had companies interested in doing that. At this point, we've only done pilot projects for them. We don't have actual paying customers doing that, but that's something that some people are interested in.
Okay, so they just give it to you, you process it, and then someone else may buy
Yeah.
the material?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
It's a little bit kind of, but do you know about the salt battery? Can you talk about that?
Solid state batteries?
Yeah. No, not salt state, but salt water battery.
Yeah, and I'm aware of the like sodium-based batteries. Yeah,
Yeah.
probably more applicable for grid level storage than lithium than transportation and those
Yeah,
things. Yeah.
so you focus on transportation.
Yeah, so the reason we focus on transportation is, so like your laptop, your cell phone has a lot of cobalt in it. We'd love to recycle that, and we're better than anyone else, but we're a little bit better. If you have a mixed situation, large format battery, instead of being a little bit better, we're a lot better than anyone else.
So presumably, the type of battery that you're talking about, it would be used for utility.
We can do utility level lithium ion. We can do this.
That's really the answer.
What's your secret sauce?
We have a patent, you're welcome to go read it, and then after reading the patent, if you can figure out how to do it, I'll be impressed.
What's the biggest limitation in growth of your company?
That's where I have to scale from 500 kilograms a day to a full scale facility.
So it's the funding of the scale up.
Yeah.
And the source of the batteries. Yeah, what percent, so, let's say Massachusetts, how many tons of car batteries are available for recycling, and what percentage? Would
So,
you be talking, would you be recycling if you get to your next stage, scale up?
I can't tell you for Massachusetts, I can tell you for the whole United States. So this year, there'll be about 6,000 tons that actually need to be recycled. Just electric vehicle batteries. Next year will be 8,000 or 9,000 tons. Yeah.
Consider this like a recyclable batch versus this process.
It's a mixture of both. So shredding and those kind of things are done continuously when we're doing our, yeah, that's batch. So
Are you able to make some from a batch to business?
there's one step which we'll never be able to make continuous. Or I shouldn't say never, but it's, yeah.
As cathodes move away from having less cobalt, does that make it less?
No, we actually, so the direction for everyone moving away from less cobalt is NMC with higher nickel. So we encourage everyone to move away from,
You're not going to use the A11 in
yeah, we won't more NMC that's used, the better for us, so.
Thank you.